Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log in G2G accounts. So go to Google, search for G2G. This is the keyword. Click on this one first, website. You will see this page. From here, go to login option. When you click login option, you will direct it to this page. Write your email or the password, this one, email or mobile number, and then write your password. As you can see here, you can also log in with your Facebook accounts, with Google accounts, with PayPal or X. You can use this to log in. So if you will forget your password, you can just submit your email to rest your password from this option. So friends, basically this is how you can do. Just write your email number, password, complete your login process on this option. So friends, this is how you can do. You can use also this Google to log in. Just click Google and then click login with your information here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video. Just go to Google, search for G2G and then complete your login process. Thanks for watching this video.